Welcome to the channel, and today we're taking a look at a Digitrax decoder that I installed. Now, I am no electrician, so please follow all manufacturer guidelines and instructions. Before I got started, I decided to test this locomotive to make sure that it was operating as it should on DC power. I began by taking the fuel tanks off the bottom of the locomotive. There were a few screws that were just holding it on. Once you remove the screws, the body simply just lifts off. The first step to any decoder installation is to isolate all of the electrical wiring. If you look at the Digitrax instructions, the diagram will show you how to wire up the decoder. I had to strip the wires, use solder to make a good connection. Then I cleaned everything up. I grabbed a piece of electrical tape and tidied up some of the wiring. I checked to see how the decoder would fit and to see if there's any other modifications I might have needed to make. After deciding on a place to put the decoder, I decided to tidy up again some more of the wiring. I went ahead and used some electrical tape to hold the backup light to the top of the train body so that it wouldn't get in the way when I went to put it back together. The absolute worst part to any decoder installation is putting the shell back on. Eventually I got the shell put back on and started to reassemble the locomotive. So I realized where I placed the speaker inside the locomotive was not a good place because it was hitting the drivetrain of the engine. So I had to disassemble the train and drill a hole into the fuel tanks of the locomotive. I then took apart the connector assembly that connects the speaker and the capacitor to the decoder. I then removed the speaker wires from the connector so that I could fish it back through a hole on the locomotive. The first time putting it all back together, it fit perfectly. Now it's time to test it out. With a little bit of luck, everything will work like it should, nothing will explode, and we will have a lovely running engine. Hey, the horn works! And the lights work too, apparently. We're going to throw it in reverse and connect to this tank car behind us. And off we go. My first time installing a decoder was a success. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps the channel grow and it motivates me to create more videos.